Hello guys, it's Solo here. Welcome back with another video. So today we have some interesting clips. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.
I love these guys that will say, no, I'll take the trash out later. I worked all day. And the wife will usually say some variation of, I had a hard day too. And the man will say, yeah, but did you do physical labor? And I just want to know, when as women do we...
Shut the fuck up already, man. Holy shit.
Yeah, how fun. Oh, you're doing like a game night thing, right?
Huh?
You doing like a game night thing?
Yeah, we're doing game night with...
Damn, I would join you guys. I gotta go to a movie, though.
With who? Lacari, do you only hang out with... You came to my house hanging with me. You've hung out with me for 40 minutes and hanging out with women all day. I'm so proud of you.
My man.
Lacari.
I'll be back, don't worry.
What? Okay, just name the girls you're going with.
Yo, $1,000, he's watching Jujutsu Kaisen movie.
I'll see you later.
What movie are you going to watch?
Jujutsu Kaisen.
What a fucking genius, dude! Oh my god!
He's so bald.
That would have been really funny.
What's that noise? Oh no.
Oh.
Bro, what?
And what they do is they try and help these hard to place kids get placed, right? And by doing that, they just have to get attention on them, which is cool. And what I did is, I guess one of these kids was like, hey, I like playing video games. Kids before him, they would like say, oh, I love basketball. So they would get like some famous basketball player to play basketball with this kid, and they would film it, and they would put together a little like piece for the news. And the adoption rate of these kids went up from 1% to 70%, which is really cool. And Ryan asked me to do, something like that. This kid liked playing video games, so he was like, well, let's go to Pinballs, and you'll meet this kid and just play arcade games for an hour and a half, and we'll film some stuff here and there and put together a little piece for the news. So I went there, and I did it, and the kid was nice, but he was such a kid. I don't know how else to word it.
What the fuck?
I'm calling him. Well, if it isn't Gus the Abuser Johnson in the flesh.
Oh my goodness, not the intro I was expecting.
I'm sorry, I'm trying to lighten the mood.
It's okay, I understand the tone of the stream. Thank you so much for calling me.
What's up? Hold on, you looking nice.
Miskit with the 10 gifted. Miskit appreciate it, gangy. You know who Miskit is?
Who that? A Miskit?
Yeah.
Yeah, Miskit from New York. Nah, I don't know what Miskit is. What's Miskit? I think you talk for the hood from Brownsville.
Yeah. Miskit from Brownsville got it.
I'm not for the company, nigga.
Hold on, gang. Hold on.
You're supposed to pay 1% processing fee.
I kind of like that Bernie Sanders. I don't know if I can join the 1%. I mean, I was made to destroy
it's a small
them.
amount. Listen.
I was supposed to bring balance.
It's a small amount of money that you're supposed to come up with. Fuck it. I don't understand why you talk so fucking much. Fuck this.
Oh man, he does not seem very happy.
Damn, I hate it when that happens. One of these days you guys will be right, I guess. But you'll also be banned. Alright, it's on now. Stupid bitch-ass boss. It's on.
Alright, that's good, that's good, that's good. That's what I need. Alright, here we go. That's good, that's worth the trip.
Jesus. Yeah, nice to meet you. My name's Shroud. Yep, I'm Shroud. It's nice to meet you. Yeah, it's nice to meet you. Yeah. Oh, it's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. It's so nice to meet you. You're Shroud? I'm Shroud.
Oh, there's 8,000.
Oh, there's another day.
Fucking Valorant player? Fucking Valorant player.
Pow, pow, pow. That's me.
I'm xQc.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you.
It's a fucking pleasure.
It's a pleasure, man. It's a pleasure. It's always nice to meet somebody.
Want a strawberry?
No, thank you.
This environment reminds me of my solo hikes when I sometimes wear earplugs while sleeping to not hear the nightly sounds of the forest. No one is actually hunting me with a gun, but imagination can make a terrible enemy.
Oh yeah. I feel like every one of these trees has a fucking sniper.
Mother!
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh, I hate this fucking game! Fuck! I fucking hate it! It's fucking so stupid! Fucking game! Jeez, we're dead again! Oh, fuck. I fucking hate it so much. Why can't you do shit in it? Oh my god. I'm fucking dead again. Shit. Oh god. Fuck me. There's fucking no food anywhere.
Bro, what was that?
Bro, yo, my game just opened up Pornhub, I swear to God, bro.
What the fuck? Oh God, it did!
Yo, my game's opening up Pornhub. Guys, what do I do? My whole...
Bro!
Cuff him.
Bro, he's in our PC. He's in our PC, bro. He's in our PC. He's in our PC. Bro, what the fuck? Aiden,
what do
you
I
hear
do?
me?
Guys, yeah, what do I do?
Aiden.
What do I do? I swear to God, I'm not even joking. Open up Pornhub, I swear.
Oh my life he did. Oh my life he did. He's in our PC, bro.
What do I do?
No fucking way, bro.
What do I actually do, Cuff him?
I don't fucking know. He's touching all my shit.
I'm about to get killed by Evelyn for real.
Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of garbage teammates. This Twitch streamer picks misfortune and proceeds to feed the other team for 30 minutes, like he's actually trolling his teammates' dog. No cap on a stacked up garbanzo.
Okay. What is that? I don't know.